At yun, madalas matanong sa akin kung may alam ba ako or may kilala ba akong chiropractor dito sa Dubai. At eto ang sagot, kung malapit ka sa Satwa Roundabout, pumunta kayo sa Aldiapa Center at mag-elevator paakyat sa 305. Dahil dito, matatagpuan nyo ang Manila Polyclinic at magkano nga ba per session ang kanilang chiropractic adjustment. Yan ay for only 100 dirhams. At pinapakilala ko sa inyo si Dr. Sajjad Ali na makakatulong sa inyong chiropractic spine adjustment. At pagkatapos niya kayong ma-check up at all goods na, diretso na sa inyong chiropractic session.
Feel any pain? No. Here? No. Here? Okay. Now just right rotation. Keep your head down. More. Relax. Relax your body. Yeah. Relax. Relax. Take a breath. Out. Okay. That okay? Just relax. Keep your head down. Relax. Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. Okay. Relax. Relax. More. Okay. Take a breath. Out. Okay. Relax. Hold it. Okay. Yeah. Relax. Take a breath. Out. Okay. Just relax. Relax. Take a breath. Out. Off. Take a breath. Out. Okay. Take a breath. Out. Okay. How you feel after the session?
I feel very relieved. Feel very relieved. Feel like
Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam ng spine adjustment na yon. Kaya kung gusto nyo rin ng nakakaginhawang laguto, ito ang number nila para sa inyong inquiry. Kaya bisita na sa Manila Polyclinic.